Okay, what have we got? Three terms. They're consecutive terms. They're consecutive terms in an arithmetic progression. Find the value of p. So let's write them down. We have 2p, p squared plus 4, 9p minus 7. So because they're arithmetic, it means the difference here should be the same as the difference here.
Yeah.
So p squared plus 4 minus 2p should equal 9p minus 7 minus p squared minus 4. Taking everything to the left, we get 2p squared. Yeah, minus 11p minus it. Oh, I forgot about the 7. What is it? Plus 15? Yeah? Okay. 2p, what's it? 5 and 3? 5, yeah. 5 here, 3 here. 6 minus plus. No. Yeah, sorry. Minus, isn't it? Yeah. So P is 5 over 2 or 3. How many marks was that first part?
4.
Okay, yeah. Next now. What's the next one about B? A geometric now. Okay. You have a geometric series, state the common ratio and explain why this series converges. So in this one here, you can see that the ratio is 3/4. Isn't it? Yeah, 3 over 4. And it converges because OR is equal to 3/4, which is in between minus 1 to 1. Yeah. 2. Find the n so that the sum is 3549 1/4. So you basically want to solve Sn equals 3549.25. Thank you. So A, which is 1024, over 1 minus. A 1 minus or n over 1 minus or, that should equal 3549.25. Okay, 1 minus 3/4 is 1/4, so that's 4096 times 1 minus 3/4 power n equals 3549.25. So divide by 4096. Is that anything nice? What? This shouldn't be 7. It's 7 exactly, is it? Okay. Can we do what now? Hang on, give me a full sentence. 1 minus 3/4 up here? No, what are you saying, man? What are you asking me?
Just rearrange.
You can rearrange it whatever way you want. I don't have a calculator, so what I did was 1 minus 3/4 is 1/4. 1024 divided by 1/4 is 4096, isn't it? Okay, so what's 3549.25 divided by 4096? Is it?
No, n equals 7.
Oh yeah, but I want to know this fraction, please.
0.8665.
Is it a fraction?
No, it's decimal. Yeah.
No, it must be a fraction.
No, it's not a fraction. There's no fraction. So that's why
May I?
Yeah, you can do it. Yeah.
I don't know.
There is a fraction after minus.
Oh, it is.
With the minus 1 there is. Yes, okay. Okay. So if we take the one to the right, we put a minus 1 here. Yeah, so you get minus 3/4 power n equals minus 2187 over 16384. Okay. Okay, good. So we can cancel the minuses, right? And we get 3 over 4 power n. 2187 is the same as 3 power 7. And 16384 is the same as 4 power 7. So n is 7. Yeah? You all know your 3 powers, right? 3 power 1 is 3, 3 power 2 is 9, and then all the way up to 7 is 2187. You learned this in elementary school, don't you? Yeah. Right. If you found that last bit a little tricky, what could you have used to go from here to here to get the n?
Log.
Yeah, you could use log, of course, if you like. In fact, you could even use log base 3 to make your life even easier. If you type in log base, if you want to get the n directly with log, you would type in log base 3/4 of the fraction 2187 over 16384. That would become 7 on the calculator. Okay? Next part. Yeah. How did I get the 163? Oh, yeah. If you type this in on the calculator, 3495.25 over 4096 minus 1, it just gave me that. Do you have your calculator? Yeah.
But from where did you get this number?
Which number? No, 1024. You have 10240. Look what
Is
you
it
typed.
1?
1024.
No, the other one
Which one?
that you crossed it.
Crossed it.
This one.
Oh, 4096.
Yeah, from where?
Ah, that is 1024 divided by 0.25.
Ah.
Yeah, so. Okay, continue. What's next now? Oh, okay, sum to infinity. So S infinity is A over 1 minus R. 3/4, isn't it? Which is 4096.
Yeah.
Okay. Is there more? Yep. Lastly, okay, so this will confuse some people. The coefficient of x cubed is 5 times the coefficient of x squared. Find the k. 2 plus k x power 6, and the coefficient of x cubed is 5 times that of x squared. Well, let's get the coefficient of x cubed and x squared first. So the coefficient of x cubed would be 6c, what? You could say 3 k cubed. We don't need to write the x because we're just looking at the coefficient. 2 power 3. That's the coefficient of x cubed. The coefficient of x squared will be 6c 2 k, very good, 2, 4. Now, one of these is 5 times the other. So the question is, if I say x cubed is 5 times that of x squared, where do I write my 5? On the left or on the right? On the right. Okay. So I'm saying the x cubed coefficient is 5 times that of the x squared coefficient. This is nice because what can you do? You can divide both sides by k squared, and the reason I'm doing that is because they cancel. And k cubed over k squared? K. If I divide by 2 cubed, then what's left on the left here?
2.
No, the 2 cubed is gone. So what's the only thing left? 6c3. So I'll divide by the 6c3. And I've found out my k. My k is going to be whatever 5 times 6c2 times 2, 4, 8, 16 Oh yeah, I can cancel down here. 2, 4, 8 times 6c3. So yeah, 8 into 16 twice. 2 times 5 is 10. 10 times whatever 6c2 over 6c3 is the answer. Whatever that is. What is that? Yeah, thank you. 6. Oh, you have it? What is it? 7.5 again. Okay, how many marks for that now? 4. It was kind of hard 4 marks, I would say. Yeah. Yeah, it's tricky. It's tricky. Did you get to the end of this question? Or run out of time?
Just cancel C.
Cancel.
Yeah.
Yeah. One sec, sorry. Yeah. Oh, let's see what the question says. Doesn't specify. The decimal is not a recurring decimal. It's exactly 7.5, isn't it? So in this case, there's no consequence because I'm not rounding, you know. However, if I got an answer like 1/3, I would be very careful about writing it as a decimal because, I mean, I'm losing something when I do. Okay, we got that? Yeah. Now, what is the next one about? Exponential and logs. Okay.